English Conversation Series Day 3. At the Market. Customer and Vegetable Seller. Have you ever bought vegetables at a market? Let's learn a simple English conversation about it. Customer. Good evening. Are these vegetables fresh today? Seller. Good evening, madam. Yes, all the vegetables came fresh this morning. Customer. What is the price of 1 kilo of tomatoes? Seller. 1 kilo of tomatoes is 40 rupees, madam. Customer. Okay. Please give me 1 kilo of tomatoes. Seller. Sure. Do you need anything else today? Customer. How much are these potatoes and onions? Seller. Potatoes are 30 rupees and onions are 50 rupees a kilo. Customer. Give me a half kilo of potatoes and 1 kilo of onions. Seller. I have very fresh green chilies and coriander leaves too. Customer. Please add a few green chilies for free. Seller. Yes, madam. I will definitely add some for you. Customer. What is the total amount for everything? Seller. The total bill is 105 rupees, madam. Customer. Here is the money. Thank you for the fresh vegetables. Seller. Thank you, madam. Please visit my shop again. Customer. Sure, I will visit again. This is a simple market conversation. Use these sentences in your daily life. Keep reading and keep practicing. Practice makes your English better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.